In this video, I'll be showing you how to fix your iPhone black screen, but it's still working. It's a very simple method, so if you find this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. Now, my phone has its screen on because I've already fixed it, but let's say, you can, feel any haptic feedback or any sounds, but it's just a complete black screen and you don't know what to do even when you try and lock it and unlock it. The same thing happens. That could be really annoying. So to basically fix this, you're going to have to do a hard reset, which is still going to keep all your memory and data and everything. It's just going to force your phone to fully shut down, and then you're going to turn it back on again. So to do this, you're going to have to do a combination of a few buttons. So on the left, you're going to see your volume buttons. So firstly, press your volume up button, then your volume down button, just press them once, and then hold down your power button. And mine is showing up on Siri because obviously mine's already working. But basically, if you hold this down long enough, your screen is then going to go fully black, completely black. And then once it does, wait about 10 to 20 seconds, then hold down your power button again. Then you're going to see the Apple logo appear and your phone should be working again. And yeah, it's as simple as that. Now, if you found this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe.